How does material misrepresentation affect immigration visa refusals? Imagine filling out your visa application with honest details, only to find out later that a small mistake or misunderstanding could change everything. That's what material misrepresentation is all about. It means intentionally giving false or misleading information that is important to your visa case. If a consular officer finds out you did this, it can lead to your visa being refused and serious consequences for your future plans in the United States. When applying for a visa through consular processing, you must be truthful about your reasons for visiting, your background, and your documents. If you lie about your purpose of travel, like saying you are visiting as a tourist but actually plan to work or stay permanently, that is considered material misrepresentation. Falsifying documents, such as fake bank statements or employment letters, is also a big problem. Even hiding previous immigration violations can be seen as misrepresentation. Under U.S. immigration law, specifically Section 212 of the Immigration and Nationality Act, if you willfully misrepresent a material fact, you become inadmissible. This means you are not allowed to enter the country unless you get a special waiver. To refuse a visa because of misrepresentation, officers need to prove three things. You intentionally lied, the lie was about something important, and it affected the decision. This is a high standard, so not every mistake leads to refusal. If your visa gets refused because of material misrepresentation, you could face a lifetime ban from entering the United States. This ban applies even if the misrepresentation was discovered years after your visa was issued or after you already entered the country. It makes future visa applications much harder because the government will scrutinize your history more closely. However, there is a way to try to fix this. Some applicants can apply for a waiver, which is a special permission to overcome the inadmissibility. To get a waiver, you usually need to show that refusing entry would cause extreme hardship to a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident family member, like a spouse or child. If you realize you made a mistake or provided incorrect information, admitting it early might help. Sometimes, showing honesty and taking responsibility can reduce the negative impact. But it depends on the situation and when you come forward. In most cases, common examples of material misrepresentation include lying about the purpose of your trip, submitting fake documents, or hiding previous immigration problems. For Latino families going through consular processing, understanding how serious misrepresentation is can save you from future trouble. Always be truthful and accurate in your application. If you have concerns about past errors, talking to an experienced immigration attorney before submitting your application can help you explore options like waivers or correcting mistakes. Remember, honesty is your best tool. Providing false information can lead to visa refusals and a lifetime ban from the United States. Being truthful and transparent during the process is the safest way to keep your dreams of living in the United States alive.